Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Gupta, PGT Chemistry, KV Along. My question is, do I feel like him in a chemistry class? Is that me after every chemistry class?
No, not at all.
No, never.
So my students are saying no, we love chemistry, we enjoy chemistry. So let's fly to the beautiful world of chemistry. Our chemistry world is beautiful, wonderful, amazing, and this world is divided into different zones like fun zone, e-learning zone, e-content zone, activity zone, assessment zone, feedback zone, etc. So under fun zone, we will see different types of games like predictable games, IUPAC naming games. Some fun books are there like Learn with Fun, and this is the book written by me. Here we can understand the concept of IUPAC naming, priority order by lyrics, stereochemistry, some daily life example as a chiral molecule, and some intermediates using different images. And predictable game is one of the most interesting and important game. We can play this game online, and by clicking on this link we can open the window of the game, and we can start play this game, where we have to click on correct symbol. See how?
Click on neon.
So after clicking on correct symbol, we will awarded
Click on
by
boron.
positive score. Otherwise, our score will be 0 for incorrect score. So it is interesting
Click on
and funny
sodium.
also. Under e-learning zone, our virtual classes are there like Google Meet, WhatsApp classes, Zoom, other platforms are available. See, this is the look of Google Meet class and Google Meet responses, WhatsApp responses by the students. One look of Google Meet class
is
class.
converted into this. How this mechanism is going to be happen in this complete scenario.
So student can understand the concept. Under e-content zone, suppose one student is absent, then he or she can engage himself with recorded video, which is uploaded at different platform like blogs and YouTube channel also, where he or she can understand the concept by repeating the video or by watching the video. In case of doubt, he or she can contact to the teacher. Activity zone. Activity zone is the one of most excited zone in our chemistry world, where we can see joyful learning, learning by doing, learning with fun. Actually, the whole world of chemistry is focused with the term fun. So we can enjoy the concept, the term, the meaning of fun in this chemistry world. So this is the activity done by me in class 12 chemistry class, chapter electrochemistry, and the topic is electrolysis. Joyful learning is one of the best platform to understand the concept, learning by doing. Predictable is the main example. This can be good example for joyful learning. Student can place different cards, cards of different symbols, and they can place in different blocks. It is interesting. Some activity we can upload, we can ask to student to prepare different activities, and we can upload in our YouTube channel, or we can show this activity to our classes. Here one activity done by one class 12 student. Crystal lattice model. Bamboo sticks and potatoes are used by the student. See how she is making one model, that is crystal lattice, and she will explain the concept also.
Hello everyone. So, this entire structure is known as crucial lattice. One portion of this structure is a unit cell. So, this is a unit cell. It has 8 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And it has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And it has 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, as you see here, this crucial lattice has.
So how nicely she explained. One more activity at home, boiling point elevation, and see. It is done by our class 12 student.
Activity: when a non-volatile substance is added to solvent, its boiling point increases. How? Now let me perform an activity whether the given statement is true or not. I'll steer this. Now let's mark. Now you can find here the container. The water inside has already boiled. Now, so the boiling time is 1 minute 57 seconds. Now it's for second container. One minute 24 seconds. Okay. So the time we have found here is 1 minute 24 seconds for volatile substance. Now we can check that the boiling time for NVS, non-volatile substance, is 1 minute 57 seconds, and for volatile substance is 1 minute 24 seconds.
So another activity at home, emulsion, absorption, endosmosis, Tyndall effect, etc. Assessment zone, we can use different quizzes. Google form are there where student can assess their grips for every concept and check their score immediately after each semester. One look of Google quiz assessment.
What is the correct order of reactivity of alcohols with a given halo acid? What is the correct order of reactivity of
Feedback zone. Our entire journey is fruitful only when our work is liked by all stakeholders, and we have to appreciate their valuable feedback time to time.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Mirga Madhu, sister of Miss Gurmi Yadav. She is studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya Along in 12th standard in Science History. I am making this video to thankful the principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya Along and all the teachers and staffs who are very supportive and dedicated.
Thank you very much.